Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Macbeth will be king, not Banquo. If he passes, if he passes, Central Show. Macbeth's decisive, he can't decide. He keeps on looking, he wants to fight. Duncan, get closer, look in my eyes. It feels so wrong, you don't seem like the type to love him and leave him. But I wanted to be king for so long. It's a cold, dark night. Here she comes to scold me. I'm glad I won't do this alone. You can't make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. We cannot rewind, mind, 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 mind. I wish our thoughts could come together as one. 'Cause Macbeth, you are the chosen one. You will be king. Yes, you are the chosen one. Chosen one, you will be king. So you killed him, it's not a very big thing. I'm feeling woo-hoo, that tonight was gonna be a good night. That tonight was gonna be the night. Banquo is dead, but Fleance is out of sight. I'm feeling woo-hoo, that tonight was gonna be a good night. Seeing Banquo here does not seem right, but I see the ghost with my own sight. Gotta see the witches, I'll go on up. I got my questions, I'll ask them up. I'm told to listen, here comes the ghosts. The first one comes, says Fear Macduff. I knew as much. The second call says if born from a woman, don't fear at all. I feel at rest, but Macduff will go. He's not a threat, but I need control. The third one comes, a crown's aloft. It's okay, sir, turn your fear off. If Burnham comes, don't let guard down. I leave the witches, don't need to go back again. I hear a shriek, I fear the worst, my wife has died. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I must move on, tomorrow come, I cannot hide. Please give me that wish right now, wish right